Hi guys, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Welcome to my channel. Once again, I'm using Ana Luisa jewelries. Ana Luisa collaborated with me again. They have an ongoing Black Friday sale. They are on sale, so check them out. I'm going to leave a link down below so you can click that link and it will bring you to Ana Luisa website. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company with exceptional quality, long-lasting pieces crafted with care. The best thing about Ana Luisa, I think, is their 1-year warranty. So if you break your jewelry, they will replace it. Easy as that. They have fair prices, so the prices starts $39. Also, what's good about this company, they are carbon neutral, so it's actually fair trade to Mother Nature. So what I'm wearing right now is the LUISA necklace, paper clip necklace, and I like it to wear like this. You can also wear it like this if you don't want this enclosure to show. Flip it like that. It's also easier to put it on and take it off when it's in front. Also, I got 2 rings. This one is so pretty. It's the thick band. If you guys visit my Instagram page, I posted a picture of the jewelries and all the information is also there. This one is the Everly Wide Gold Band ring. I love the details of this ring. It actually has a stone, cubic zirconia, but it looks like a diamond. Next is this ring. This is a pearl ring. This one is called Mara Pearl Oval Stone Ring. It actually elongates your finger and your hand, so it's that illusion, the oval shape like that. It looks like my fingers are so long and it's very sexy. So those are the 3 pieces that I have today. Check them out, guys, because this company is really good and I like them. They like working with me. I love working with them and they have really good prices. So check out their Black Friday because you never know. You might like something. You might find the pieces that you've been looking for. So check them out. For today's video, I'm going to create this look using the Makeup by Mario Holiday Collection. In this collection, he released 3 quad palettes, eyeshadow palettes, 3 lip glosses, 3 eyeliners, and a lipstick palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been loving this Huda Beauty Silk Balm. I have a mini one inside my purse. I also like the Kylie lip mask at nighttime. For my foundation, I'm going to use this one. This one is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. And I am in the medium 5 Valencia. I like applying this foundation with a brush, so you guys can see the difference. This one is with NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and this one is without. It's made of cheese and thunder. Alright, that's beautiful. I found out that the best concealer for this foundation is the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, of course. I think these are well formulated with this foundation. I also think that you can get away with this foundation and concealer without setting it with powder. This one is medium 2 Ginger, and I also have medium 1.5 in Macadamia. Is lighter and I'm gonna use this to brighten my under eye. With cream pot concealers, I like using my finger to warm it up, and the finish looks better on the skin when you use your finger. I'm also gonna put a little bit here under my eyebrow and around my nose and around my mouth, this coloration. Alright, so that's beautiful. Next, I'm going to prep my eyes with Makeup by Mario. This one is the Master Eye Prep and Set. I'm gonna use the EF1. And since I already put concealer on my lid to match my concealer under my brow, I'm just gonna use the setting powder. Okay guys, so I have the 3 palettes. I really love the Bronze Glam. Do we feel like mauvey or bronzy? I have decided I'm going to use the Bronzy Glam Quad. So pretty. I'm going to show you guys swatches. This one right here is incredible. I already swatched it on my Instagram. They don't have names, they're just BG. It's in Bronze Glam, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are all just dry swatches. So incredible. Now I'm building. Do you guys see it? It is so pretty. All of them are pigmented. These are metallic shadows and one is matte. All right, for the first color, I'm gonna start with BG4. This one is the EF2. This is a very pigmented shadow, like to build it up rather than pack it on. I'm gonna concentrate on the outer corner of my eye and create the shape that I want that would enhance my eye shape. So what I'm doing is just building the color and try to blend it. Very beautiful, easy to blend. I have psoriasis right here, so sometimes the shadow does not stick on it, or it's kind of weird. Okay, so I think that is well blended. Beautiful. The next shadow I'm gonna use is this one, BG3, and I'm gonna use E4. Hey, I'm starring in this drama. So I'm just gonna put this on my lid, but just half of my lid. Makeup by Mario shadows are applied nicely with brushes. I actually do prefer applying shadows with my brushes. Just the inner half of my lid. There we go. All right, next I'm gonna flip my E4 brush and I'm gonna get BG2. This one is the perfect bronze. Ooh. All right, in this case, I'm going to apply it with my finger. Merge that with the lighter shade that we've just put, BG3. This one has sparkles, glitters, micro glitters. I love Makeup by Mario formula, I swear. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go back with my EF2 brush and then blend the surrounding areas. Mario also launched 3 new eyeliners. The blue one, which is rich blue, brown one, which is soft brown, and deep plum, which he partners with the Bronzy Glam Quad. I swatched this one on my Instagram as well. Okay, I was not prepared for that. Whoa, okay, so pretty. It's very pigmented, so you guys be careful. So I'm gonna put this on my lash line and waterline. And then I'm gonna grab the E5 brush, the tiniest. I'm going to grab this matte again, smoke this under my eye. Okay, like so. Alright, and then I'm gonna go to Macadamia Concealer. I just brightened my under eye here. I'm gonna do it at the other side. I'm gonna go back to the Deep Plum eyeliner and I'm gonna go put that on top as well. Okay, so remember that we have different ways how to do face complexion, and this is how I do mine. I get a lot of questions about this brush. This brush is from Sonia Kashuk. I got it from Target. This palette gives me instant tan, instant bronzy look, so I'm gonna use this one. It's a favorite. I actually have a backup. Then I'm gonna grab this one for, I like highlighting my cheeks. for that extra oomph. And then I'm gonna grab this bronzer right here. It's a very tanning bronzer. Just put it right here in the temple. Just a little bit. I'm gonna use this gel brow from Morphe. Like so. I feel like something's missing, so I'm gonna take my quad again and I'm going to take BG1. I'm gonna put this in the inner corner of my eyes. Yes, so that's what's missing. And I'm just gonna build that up until it's shiny. I'm also gonna get a little bit, just a little bit, and put that under my brow. Ever so slightly, ever so tiny. I'm gonna take off my lip balm, super soft. For my lip liner, I'm going to use KKW Beauty Mario. This one is the lip liner Beauty Icon. Just gonna line my lips and I'm gonna overline them. So I roll my lips like this. And then under right here. And then I'm gonna use my Mario lip palette for the very first time. This is what it looks like. It has a mixing palette right here. That's genius. I love it. So I want to create something nude, of course, but I also want to create something like my skin tone, like bronze skin tone. I'm gonna try first with this one right here. Color. This color is really pretty, but I need something more orangey. I'm gonna get this orange right here. That became like a light pink, so I want something brown. A little bit of brown right here, and see. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna try. A little bit more brown. Okay, I mixed the dark one right here. I don't know what I'm gonna get, so. Okay, I like this one. So pretty. Okay. So most lip palettes that I have in my kit, they're a little bit oily. This one is not. It's actually a little bit matte than I expected. It's incredible. The finish is incredible. It looks like it was not from a palette. It looks like it was from a bullet. It's so beautiful. And I like how I can mix everything, all the colors. If you're not very artistic and you're not used to it, you can just experiment and mix it. Because you only need tiny. Look at that. That's the damage I did for my lip. And it works so good. This is so beautiful. Wow. I did that. I'm so excited about this one. You can just wipe the mixing palette. And this is sturdy. This is a sturdy mixing palette. And I love the brush. I love the lip brush here and the scoop right here, or the mixer. It's very well thought. Wow. Can you guys see that? That's a perfect lip for me. I am very impressed. All right, my look is done. Look at this. So pretty. I actually want to put individual lashes. I'm into individual lashes and I love putting them on. They look so natural, especially for pictures, close-up pictures. So I'm just gonna do that and then come back. All right, guys, lashes are done. These are the individual lashes that I installed. They're so pretty and they look natural. They are Ardell's. They're not that expensive. Along with the holiday collection that Makeup by Mario released are lip glosses. There are 3 nude lip glosses. Rose Nude. Rose Nude has pink and gold glitters, micro glitters. You don't feel them on your lips. Next is Golden Nude. This one has golden glitters, micro glitters. It is peachier than the Rose Nude. And the last one, my favorite, is the Mauve Nude. This has purple undertone, but what's so pretty about this is it has pink blue glitters. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I swatched these on Instagram. My Instagram is at SwatchQueen1. If you guys want to check out the swatches, it is clear on picture and how the glitters look like. So check my page and also follow me. I like this look. I think this look is complete. I love the 90s lip vibe, but I want to show you guys how this looks like. So we used the Bronzy Glam Quad, and we also used the matching eyeliner, which is the deep plum. So I'm gonna use the matching lip gloss, which is golden nude. I always apply my lip gloss on my hand, and then I usually use disposable one. Sometimes I have that on my purse, or I just use my finger. My finger is the best tool that I have. Look how pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? You guys, this collection is amazing. Like Mario made a collection for me. I love using KKW Beauty Brightening. This one is the pink one. And I'm just gonna use the setting brush from the first collection. I'm gonna set the under eye right here. So right here and around my nose. I love this. I love the KKW Beauty Brightening number 2. Let me spray this Kaya Lee. This is my favorite perfume. So this is it for the look. I love it so much. Everything in the collection I love. Oh my gosh. You guys should try this. Makeup by Mario has been in my number 1 right now in the top. I just love it. I love the price. I love the quality. I love the genius, well thought products that he releases. If you guys like this look, let me know in the comment box below. Have you tried Makeup by Mario, and what's your favorite product? What's your favorite holiday collection right now? Let me know in the comment box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It would help me so much. Also, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. All that shebang. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much, guys. So bye!